Before we get to our example, I need to give you a formula. Remember, we said that interest is going to be involved, right? So I need to give you the calculation, the formula to calculate interest. So your interest expense calculation. We've probably had to do this before in another class. The acronym I use is PIT, P-I-T. Okay, so there's your formula. Let me show you what everything stands for. So the P stands for principal. And again, we can get that information from the promissory note, right? The I stands for interest, which again, we can get from the promissory note, has to be stated on there. And the T stands for time. The time piece of the formula is what always trips students up. Okay, so let me show you how to remember it. Your time is going to be a fraction here. Your numerator is the amount of time that has passed. In this chapter, we measure that time usually in months. It could also be measured in days or years. So it's basically the time that has passed, okay, over 12 months. Don't change that 12 months. It has to stay at 12 months. That's where students get tripped up. Okay. All right, so just never change it. Your denominator for time always has to be 12 months. Why? Why? If you remember, here I said the note is always expressed, the interest rate of the note is expressed annually. That's why if this here is expressed annually, then the time that we use has to be over 12 to have that apples to apples comparison. Okay, now you have that formula, so we'll be able to work through an example in the next video.